Anyway, so hi guys. So as you can see, I have installed the classic editor, also Akismet spam protection, and now I need to click. I will need to click yes. I mean install this one. Okay, but this is going to be quite lengthy. How about I like to go for classic widgets. Classic, and I'm also going to, let's say, activate. Okay. Next thing, I should go for Jetpack, which is this thing. Okay. Well, let the page refresh first. Then I click add new. Okay. Now I scroll down just a bit, and also, yes. Why aren't you going down? Now I will install this one, Jetpack. This is a very useful plugin, but I don't know why. Maybe my laptop computer is a little bit of old-fashioned. Maybe it doesn't have enough RAM or other configuration, or maybe the internet here in the rural areas of Bangladesh are very slow. That's why whenever I try to set Jetpack after installation, sometimes, most of the times, it does not work. I have to do that on my Android phone then. So let's see whether it actually works this time. Let me click refresh. This is the plugin which takes a lot of time for installations and setup. Okay, so now I will try to set up Jetpack, and let's see whether it really works. I have two SIMs, subscriber identification modules, on my phone. So I use internet from both of them. If my current SIM that I'm using for internet is Teletalk, government-owned service, if that is not capable of providing fast internet, I may have to switch to the other one. Excuse me. So yes, what's happening here? Like I told you, whenever I try to set up Jetpack on my computer, most of the times, it does not work. So I will set up Jetpack later through my Android device. Okay, I believe it's not the problem with the internet connection. It's about the device, the computer. Okay, so let's see what other plugins I need to install and activate. There's a backup plugin if you want to back up your website, the database and files. You need to have a plugin. So for that purpose, I like to use UpdraftPlus. That's what I'm going to use. Okay, let's search for UpdraftPlus. Okay, it should appear automatically. I don't have to press enter. So let's see whether it appears. Yes, it has. And I'm going to click install now. This is the plugin that has been most useful to me in recent days. One of my sites actually, had a problem, maybe in the database. Okay, and UpdraftPlus, saved my day. Another of my sites, I didn't properly use the plugin. That's why I had to suffer. I did not put regular backups. That's why I lost my images. Anyway, so wait. UpdraftPlus backup. I have put 1 or 2 videos on my channel on this particular plugin called UpdraftPlus, how to use it. I'm going to use this plugin with Google Drive. Excuse me. So it means that actually I'm going to send my website backups to my Google Drive through this particular plugin, UpdraftPlus. You look for the videos on my channel how to use this particular plugin, and in this one I do not have the scope to show you all of that. Okay, so what is the next plugin I should be installing? Okay, there's one plugin called hide admin notices or something like that. If I do that, what will be the good thing? Actually, I will get rid of all this mess. I really hate to see all this mess, all these notifications, I mean all the notices. I do not. So what is that plugin? Let me search for that. It's called hide admin notices. That's what it is. Gosh, is it going to work? If it is not, then I will have to type once again. Okay. The plugin is not installed yet, so I need to click add new, because this is going to be a new plugin to my site. I should not have made a search on the installed plugins because I have not installed that plugin yet. So yes, before I search for that particular plugin, let me show you one thing. Classic Editor is the most popular WordPress plugin. How much time is left? 3.5 minutes. Classic Editor has more than 5 million active installations, and it has a rating of perfect 5. 1032 people have put their ratings. It installed on my site. Akismet Spam Protection is the second most popular plugin. It is also installed on my site. The third one is Jetpack. It is also installed on my site. And the fourth one is Classic Widgets. It is also installed on my site. I have yet not installed plugins like Gutenberg or Health Check and Troubleshooting. I maybe use that. If I ever need that, I will be installing those plugins. Okay, so once again I need to see how much time, plenty of time I guess, for a single plugin to demonstrate. Let's again look for hide admin notices. Okay, so this is the plugin. It should appear automatically. I do not have to press enter. Yes, this is the particular plugin I was looking for. I'm clicking install now. It has started installing, and after a while I will be activating this. So what does this particular plugin do for your site? Actually, it hides the notices, all the messy notices. They are not totally, you still have an access to the notices. I will show you a little later on. This is the particular button, show notices. It was not there previously. It has appeared here just after the installation and activation of this particular plugin named hide admin notices. Let me show you what happens if I click show notices, the button. Now you get to see all the notices, right? Okay, if I need to take actions, now I definitely can take actions like setting up Jetpack, or maybe responding to this, do you want Wordfence to stay up to date automatically? I say no thanks. I will update the plugin manually. And also these are the notices. Okay, so now here hide notices. I click here and all the notices are hidden. If I want to see the notices once again, it is possible. Show notices. Okay, so I guess I will have to extend the video a little longer to show you all the other. Okay guys, I will be back in a short.